Microsoft provides several free offerings for students that allow you to be more productive and build the skills you need for your career. Azure for Students gets you $100 in free cloud credit, which you can use to create apps with your favorite open source tools, gather data from a variety of IoT devices, train machine learning models, and use AI to enable your apps to see, hear, speak, understand, and more. You also get access to popular free developer tools, such as the cross-platform IDE Visual Studio Code, as well as interactive tutorials that show you how to build on Azure. Office 365 Education includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and other classroom tools for free. To get your free stuff, verify your student status using your school email, accept the agreement, and you're good to go. No credit card required. Getting Office 365 Education works in the same way. To learn more and get your free stuff, head here.